That's my measure of whether or not my mat's going to work well for me. I can't tell you how many mats I've bought where my hands won't stay in place. They come with a slippery film on them, and some of them, no matter how often you clean them or try to prep them, it's just not going to work. It's not a good mat. And so let me share with you what I do to prep a mat, and this is a pretty darn good mat. I'll tell you more about it later. Let me share with you what I like to do to prepare a new mat and then also to maintain an older mat. So for the maintenance and also part of our preparation is a blend that I make with household vinegar, a little alcohol, and I like to put in some essential oil. Now my choice is eucalyptus, but any scent that you like, you can go there. And then I'll put the recipe in one of the still slides that you're going to see coming up. But I do my mixing in a bowl, use my funnel to get it into the bottle, and I'm all set up with my spray. Now you can use that after you've prepped your mat, when you just want to clean your mat in a regular basis. For prepping the mat, most new mats have a film surface, a protective surface, and trying to get that off, some of them, it comes off, but the mat just isn't a good quality mat. Your hands are going to slide, and if that happens, it's time to buy another mat as far as I'm concerned. Now, what I do is I use a little salt as an exfoliant, a little baking soda, and I sprinkle those around on the mat. And again, you'll see that in the upcoming slides. Then I spray it with the vinegar and water mixture so that there's a little reaction from the baking soda, and then scrub with my scrub brush. And I do this out on the patio. You'll see that I have that set up outside so that I can then use the garden hose to rinse it off. So after I've scrubbed it, rinsed it off, wipe it down with just a regular hand towel, I let it sit outside. It's almost as though it's curing in the patio or porch and in the sun. And then test it, just like you saw me in my flow that I did at the beginning of this. That's what I need to be able to do to know that my mat is ready for my practice. So here, let me share these slides with you on how I go about it.